Hi everybody, I'm Ranger Louise from Greater Sydney Parklands, and today I'm on Wallamadigal country. And we're going to go on a scavenger hunt today and collect some natural materials to make eco art. What is eco art? Well, another name for it is ephemeral art, and it's an artwork that we make in the landscape from nature and we leave it in nature for others to see. Check out these for some great examples. First, we need to go on a scavenger hunt to collect the materials for our eco artwork. So you can choose what you want to collect. You might want to collect rocks, sticks, leaves, maybe look at colors, collect green things, yellow things, red things, brown things, or maybe textures. Can you find things that are spiky, soft, hard, wet? You choose. You could even give yourself a quest, a challenge to go and find a certain number of materials in each category. Are you ready? Let's go on our scavenger hunt and collect all our materials to make our artwork. How did you go? Here's what I collected. I've got some Banksia cones and some pine cones, some Banksia flowers and some wattle flowers, some leaves, all different textures and colors. Now remember, when you collect your materials, to collect things as much as you can from the ground. We don't want to be pulling too many leaves and flowers off trees. Now I'm ready to make my eco artwork. Ta-da! I've made a lovely mandala filled with all the colors and textures that I collected on my scavenger hunt. So now it's your turn. Have a go at home. Remember to collect things from the ground, and remember to show someone your beautiful creation. Or better yet, maybe get your whole family involved and make a giant eco artwork all together. So have fun, thanks for joining us again, and see you next time.